Every single year, the market has one or two key indicators. It changes every now and then. I'm gonna go over 2019's best single indicator. What's up, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader here, talking about indicators. Before I get into that, click the little subscribe button, click the little ringing bell, get notified when I have a new video lesson, or you can ignore them and stay poor and confused and bitter all your life. It's your choice. I'm here to teach you through 20 plus years of experience. I don't know everything, but I know more than most people, and I'm trying to share it with you. 2019 has been a very interesting year, and one indicator rises above all the other indicators. You need software. Let me remind you, you need software to scan for different indicators. I'm going to post a link just below. You should click it and you should use this software. I'm not even going to name the software. I'm just going to tease it. Just click the link that says revolutionary software, because frankly it is. When I first got started teaching, I would check dozens of websites looking at all kinds of news, all kinds of indicators, frankly wasting a lot of time. We've refined it and put it all into one software. And this indicator that has been working so well in 2019 is contained in this software, because 2019's number one indicator for me so far is looking for short squeezes, okay? And most people think, oh, let me just look at the amount of shares short. It's like on Yahoo Finance. I know it's a month old, but that's all we got, so let me look at that. Nonsense! Nonsense! The short data that you have that's a month old or 2 months old, it doesn't even matter. It's all irrelevant, because the best short squeezes happen over 1, 2, 3, 4 days. So whatever was short a month ago is totally irrelevant to what is going on right now if a stock is in a short squeeze. Not to mention that I think that if you actually did like an academic study, you could probably disprove the short interest from a month ago. I've never really seen that indicator or that data to be very accurate, and I've seen people lose a lot of money who are trying to use that indicator in their trading. So how do you determine if a short squeeze is happening? How do you determine the short interest over the past 1, 2, 3, 4 days? Well, long story short, you can't. It is not an exact science. But with that magic tool software, it also includes a social media search tool, okay? And with this social media search tool, you can see specifically which stocks are being targeted by shorts. Because there's a lot of short sellers on social media, they try to rip on these companies. They usually are right in the long run, but because there are so many shorts right now in 2019, this is why I'm saying this is an indicator that I'm using right now. It wasn't a very good indicator in 2017 or 2018, but in 2019, we have an excessive amount of shorts, and if you look through social media, you will see that. You will see a lot of these big percent gainers being targeted by shorts. And guess what? Even though they're right in the long run, they are usually wrong for 1, 2, or even 3 days. Right now in 2019, we're seeing stocks not just go from like 1 to 3 or 1 to 4, 3 or 400% increases, but we've seen stocks go from like 2 to 20, 2 to 50. In the past few months, we've even seen stocks go up even more than that. A lot of shorts are just newbies. I'm partially to blame or to thank, depending on how you look at it, because I have made millions of dollars short selling, and frankly my business for education has grown substantially, and so there's a lot of people who think that you can just short any stock that's up, right? These penny stocks all go to zero, so let's just short anything that's up. If you actually look at what these short sellers say on social media, it's pretty funny. They try to justify their trades with the valuation of the company. And I'm not going to actually go into any specific short sellers, because frankly I don't want them to stop talking about this stuff on social media. I want these idiot shorts to keep talking and trying to, get other people involved in their shorts. So let them try to, create these bear raids on social media. I think it's sad, but they're basically showing you their hand. This is what's so beautiful. You know, you're trying to get the price down if you're a short seller in 2019, and you try to use social media to do that. Meanwhile, for me and many of my top students, especially top performing students in 2019, we see all these shorts, we see these stocks, even when they're tweeting like this stock should go down, but the stock doesn't go down, and it keeps ticking higher. Then the shorts get desperate and they tweet more and more, this company is worthless, it's worthless. And they try to like lure people into their argument. Like it's like these political tweets where you think, what? You think you're gonna change somebody's, politics based on a tweet? Like, oh, this tweet really changed my whole political ideology. Come on, that's not gonna happen. The same thing with short sellers, but they're so bitter and they're so just narrow-minded that they will just keep tweeting the same thing over and over again, using different facts, using different valuation methods, saying this stock should be zero, this stock should be zero, this stock deserves to crash. And you'll see, the usual suspects doing it. Again, I'm not going to name them because I want to keep them doing it. Don't show this to them. Don't show this video to any short seller. Shh. Just use their naivety, use their bitterness and their trollishness for your advantage. Because when there's a lot of shorts who are trying to put a stock down and they're all trying to trade together and they're all using like these kinds of weird strategies and finding shares to short at weird brokers, guess what? If the stock is not cracking, if it's holding near its highs, it can spike. And some of the most fundamentally screwed companies can spike the most. It's not about valuation when it comes to trading short squeezes. It's not to say that it's an exact science either, because like I said, these short sellers are usually right in the long run. But I would not become a short seller, especially at this point in time, because there are so many shorts, there's so much competition for the shares. A lot of these shorts are shorting too soon when there are shares available, and that creates the short squeezes. And a lot of my top students have been riding the short squeezes up 100, 200, 500, 1,000% in a few hours or a few days. Just remember to sell into strength. If you are buying one of these fundamentally screwed companies, the short squeeze lasts for a little bit, but then it usually subsides. So that to me is the number one indicator right now. Short squeezes, they're working fantastically. Congrats to all of my students who are partaking in the long side. My apologies to the shorts who are getting squeezed. I think you guys just like punishment. I think like you had bad childhoods or something and like you subconsciously need to be in pain. I don't know. I don't get it. Frankly, I don't short that much these days because there's too much competition, because the risk reward has been so skewed. So I enjoy going long, and these short squeezes are lasting. So again, click the link just below this video where I'm going to show you the software where it has a social media search tool so you can see the short sellers trying to get the stock price down and usually failing when they're tweeting so much. And also leave a comment underneath and just type in LOL. Just laugh if you're laughing alongside me at all these short sellers. Hey, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there. And also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.